Dropout, a point-of-use compressed air water separator that is easily installed and maintenance-free. We will demonstrate the performance of Dropout against a conventional point-of-use filter regulator. This will demonstrate to you just how inefficient conventional point-of-use filter regulators are when compared with the Dropout product, where we can guarantee removing 99.999% of the water and removing contamination down to 1 micron. Watch us demonstrate this product by even removing black ink mixed with water. The demonstration on the right clearly shows clean, dry air discharged out of the compressed air gun using the point-of-use Dropout product. The demonstration on the left is tested under the same conditions and shows just how much water contamination is discharged out of the compressed air gun using a conventional point-of-use filter regulator. The white handkerchief test truly demonstrates the performance of the Dropout product. Dry, clean air at your point of use. So the next time you have concerns about water contamination at point of use, why not try the Dropout product? We are confident that our unique patented design will remove all traces of water contamination.
Thank you.